Welcome to an in-depth look at Curve Finance, a leading decentralized finance platform designed to optimize stablecoin liquidity. Curve Finance specializes in providing low-slippage swaps for stablecoins and tokenized assets. Its advanced liquidity pools make it a preferred choice for DeFi users seeking high returns with minimal risk. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the platform and show you how to make the most of its features. Start by visiting the official Curve Finance website. The interface is straightforward, focusing on simplicity and usability. You'll notice various liquidity pools, each offering different rewards based on market conditions. Select a pool that suits your investment strategy. The next step is to connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Supported wallets include MetaMask and Wallet Connect, ensuring secure access to your funds. Once connected, deposit your stablecoins into the selected liquidity pool. Curve Finance optimizes your assets by utilizing an algorithm that provides low fees and high yields, maximizing your returns. It's also worth noting that Curve integrates with other DeFi protocols, such as Urine Finance, to enhance your earning potential. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The rewards for providing liquidity come in the form of CRV tokens, the native governance token of Curve Finance. These tokens can be staked to earn additional rewards or traded on various exchanges. I'll also show you how to track your earnings and manage your assets effectively within the platform. Curve Finance is designed for both beginners and experienced DeFi enthusiasts. Its user-friendly interface and advanced optimization algorithms make it a reliable choice for generating passive income. By taking advantage of its features, you can earn rewards while maintaining a relatively low risk compared to other DeFi platforms. If you're new to decentralized finance, Curve Finance is an excellent starting point. It allows you to explore the benefits of yield farming and liquidity provision without the complexities of more volatile markets. Be sure to take your time understanding the platform and leverage its tools to maximize your gains. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more crypto tutorials, tips, and strategies. Smash the like button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.